and welcome to Sonic Boom. These are your contestants: Sonic, Muffin, Shadow, Amy, Tiger, Tails, Blueberry, and Knuckles. I suck. Okay, so you all will be in the HOB, House of Boom. So, I will put you in pairs. Okay, Sonic, wait, no. We'll start with Muffin here. Muffin, you are teamed up with Tails.
What? Okay.
You guys have to get together. Woo!
I don't like this.
Okay. Tiger, you are teamed up with
I guess Blueberry.
Knuckles.
What? Me?
Okay.
Woo! Because I don't want to see him.
Okay. Shadow, you're with Blueberry.
Oh, God.
Woo! God. Yeah. You might not want to cry about that, darling.
Wait,
Okay.
who am I with?
Who am I with? The only person that's left. Amy! Aw, poor you. Get over there.
Oh, you're going to kill me.
Okay. You guys sit apart from the other teams.
How do you see how long it's going?
Okay. You are now, these will be your partners for HOB. You will start tomorrow by doing your first competition. Get rest and we'll see you tomorrow. But first, dinner. The person on the right will make your food. So, Shadow, out of you and Blueberry, you will make the food.
Yay, pie. We'll make ice cream.
Knuckles, out of you and Tiger, you will make the food.
We're making pie.
Amy, out of you and Sonic,
You're making chili dogs.
hello,
Hey, shut up.
you will make the food. Happy?
Please say chili dog.
Okay. Muffin, out of you and Tails, color matchers,
Cupcake.
you will make the food.
Cupcake.
Now, we'll see you all tomorrow on HOB.
Sonic Boom.
Oh, by the way, I'm the host.